Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to let you guys know before, like I did this video earlier. I saw all these videos earlier and it's just kind of like a slideshow. So basically, I'm going to be showing you a three ingredient way to make your own fake cuts on your face and on anywhere in your body. Basically, the things that you need are liquid latex, toilet paper, a blow dryer, or I guess 4 ingredients, I guess you could say, but the blow dryer is kind of like extra, so it'll dry easier. But like, it's liquid latex, fake blood, and toilet paper, and that's it. You at least need 2 layers of toilet paper and liquid latex. But you dry the first layer and then you dry it again on the second layer. And then you then you cut it and But anyways, before my mom interrupted. Basically, it's a 3 ingredient thing. You can use a blow dryer. I would say use a blow dryer to dry it because it dries a lot easier. Basically, I'm going to be making a cut like right here. Then I make one like right here. Or right here and right here. And, well, anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not really going to be talking in it. I'm just going to be doing my makeup. And, and also there's one scene where, like, if it looks like I had put something, like, right here. I was going to do a cut on my lip. But then, didn't exactly work out. So, like, I kind of messed up. And then, there's a couple parts where, like, there was a piece of toilet paper on my elbow. And I was like, oh, my God. But, like, basically, and also there's going to be some parts I'm going to skip to the fake blood because I don't want to take too much time on you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.